Hello there everybody, and today I just thought I'd do a review on this micro USB cable by ICZI. These are a company that are on Amazon. They also sell all the different cables and different things like that. I just thought I'd review this. It's actually rare I actually review just a USB cable on its own. But this one I thought I'd like, so I thought I'd review it. The box, this is the box you get. These are £10.59 on Amazon. But you get in the box, you get 5 in the pack, which is quite good. And not just that, you get a 3.3 foot one, but you also get 2 of them, and you get a 6 foot one, and you get 2 1 foot ones, which is good. So obviously then you've got more, you've got extra USB cables. Let's open the box and just show you. These are the USB cables. These are durable frosty PVC material. They're basically stronger than standard USB cables. Come nicely packed, and I got the red ones, the red and black ones. You can just buy these in just black. They sell these just in black if you wanted to buy black. I'll put the link in the description of where you can actually buy these from in the description below. So what you have to do is just click more on below this video, then it'll give you the link to where you can actually buy these from. Let's just check one out and just show you. Let's check one of the small ones out first. Comes with this packed and quite nice and all nicely. On the ends you get their logo, if you can see. Yeah, it's like a gold there, and like black plastic and red. Yeah, I just thought I'd review these and show you. Yeah, they're the 1 meter ones anyway. Just thought I'd show you. Let me show you 2 the 1 meter ones. This one's no, them ones are the 3.3 meter foot ones, and this one's the 6 foot 6 one. Yeah, so really for how much they cost, £10.59 on Amazon, they're actually a bargain, because obviously you've got loads of them then, instead of keep buying loads of them all the time. So you got loads on one go, and plus if you think about it, one USB cable on Amazon is gonna like set you back £4.99. So why you buy them? We might as well just buy these. Yeah, thanks for watching anyway. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.